In this video, I am going to teach you how to create the strike-through text in the Apple Notes app on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Many of you who used Google Docs or Microsoft Word knows that there's a strike-through font, a way how you can cross out possible ideas but may still want to revisit them for future reference. Unfortunately, in Notes, there's no shortcut for this, so you have to do it manually. First, you would have to select the text you want to cross out. Then, hit Format on the top left-hand corner. Then select the font. Then, strike through. There's also another way to do this. Hit Command Shift ? Type in strike through. Hit the down arrow key, then hit Enter. Yes, this sounds like a lot more work, but I prefer this way because I can use this feature for nearly all formatting tools while keeping my fingers on the keyboard. For example, I can use the same method to create a table or bold a text. The third way is just to right-click, then hover down to Font, then select Strike Through. For those of you who are on iPhones or iPads, first, select what you want to strike through. Then hit the font icon indicated by the capital A and lowercase a. Then hit the S with a strike through. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you out, and we have many more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and catch you guys on the next one.